Once upon a time, in the small town of Techville, a group of curious children embarked on a digital adventure. Each of them had recently received a new gadget, be it a smartphone, tablet, or computer, and they were eager to explore the vast world of technology. However, they were also aware that the digital realm posed its own set of challenges and responsibilities. Enter their wise and friendly mentor, Mr. Digi, a seasoned technology enthusiast with a passion for teaching kids how to use technology safely and responsibly. Mr. Digi had always believed that with proper guidance, the digital world could become a playground of learning and creativity for kids. The story begins on a sunny day in Techville's primary school, when Mr. Digi invites the children to an exciting workshop called Digital Adventures. The classroom is alive with vibrant, colorful decorations featuring gadgets and imaginary digital landscapes, capturing the children's attention and sparking their imaginations. Mr. Digi greets them with a warm smile. Welcome, young tech explorers. Today, we'll uncover the wonders of using technology wisely. The first lesson takes place in an animated classroom, where children learn about the importance of keeping personal information private. Mr. Digi reminds them to never share their full name, address, or phone number with strangers online. An engaging animation shows a friendly superhero character safeguarding their secrets, reinforcing the importance of privacy with humor and warmth. Next, the scene shifts to the cozy living room of one of the children, where Mr. Digi explains the importance of taking breaks from screens. Animated clocks and characters remind the kids that even though it's fun to play games and watch videos, it's also important to give their eyes and minds a rest. Mr. Digi teaches them a fun song about the 20-20-20 rule, taking a break every 20 minutes, looking at something 20 feet away, for at least 20 seconds. The upbeat tune gets stuck in the children's heads, turning breaks into a fun and natural part of their daily routine. In the final segment, the children gather around their devices to learn about the importance of being kind online. The vibrant setting changes to an online world where the avatars of children interact. Through a series of short animated scenarios, Mr. Digi speaks about using kind words and respecting others in online games and social media. Using interactive activities and a cheerful tone, Mr. Digi engages them in role plays where they practice resolving conflicts and supporting friends in the digital space. As the workshop concludes, the children leave with their heads full of new thoughts and their hearts filled with excitement about the future of safe and fun digital exploration. Inspired by Mr. Digi's guidance, they vow to be not just consumers of technology, but also its responsible stewards. Back at home, the children continue to explore the digital world with newfound confidence and understanding. Their parents are delighted to see them applying what they've learned, knowing that their children can navigate the digital landscape with safety and responsibility. And so, through laughter and learning, the children of Techville continue their digital journey, ready to face the future with curiosity and care. The end.